Hello children, how are you? It's so nice to see you again. È bellissimo, tra virgolette, rivedersi. For the moment è un po' così, eh? No, non mi piace questo. Hello children, how are you? Here I am again, sono tornata con voi and I'm very happy for it. And now, today we will learn a little bit about personal pronouns. Oh, what are they? Personal pronouns? Cosa sono? I think you know them. Secondo me li conoscete because you already talked about it with Maestra Giovanna, ne avete già parlato, I think. But in any case, li abbiamo sempre usati. We always used them, but we didn't know what they were. And now we will understand what they are. Capiremo meglio cosa sono. And we will use them. Li useremo with a verb. The verb to be. Il verbo essere. That you know. Che iniziamo a sapere. Let's start. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, hello. Hi. This is me. Sono io. I. You. Yes, you. Sei tu, my dear. And he. Questo è lui. Oh, of course, he is a boy, è un bimbo. Can you see him? He. Lei. How do I say lei? She. There she is. She's a nice girl. And esso. It. When do I use it? Quando devo usare it? For example, if I talk about a cat, oh, is it a dog? What are you? Probably a cat. Parlo di un animale, I use it. Esso. But also, if I talk about an object, se parlo anche di un oggetto. For example, what is it? This is a pen, and I can say it is it. Esso, right? Now, this is very nice. We, noi, siamo noi, together. Have a look, they are good friends. We, noi. Poi, you. Ma io l'avevo già visto. Yes, because you have you per dire tu. You per dire voi. That's incredible. Essi o loro. They. Eccoli là, parlo di loro. I'm talking about them. They are our friends. Loro sono i nostri amici. So, now, why don't you try to guess the pronoun? Proviamoci. Io. How do I say it? I. This is you. And he's a doctor. Quindi dirò. He. A girl. What will I say? She. Oh, wow, what a beautiful cat you are. Ciao, Micio. Hello. Now, se parlo di un animal, I will use it. This is a dad with a child, his son, suo figlio. Sono insieme, ok? Quindi siamo noi, we. Uh-oh. This time, you. And loro. How will I say? I will say they. Ok. Ce l'avevate fatta? Could you do it alone? Potevate farlo da solo? Da soli? I think you can go back and revisit as many times as you need. Riguardate tante volte questa cosa. Now, we will use the personal pronouns with this verb, perché ci servono se li usiamo per parlare, to speak, or to make sentences, per fare frasi. To be è il verbo essere, Oh! Now we have to remember we have 3 different voices in the verb to be. We have am, we have is, and we have all. Now, am, I am, is, he, she, or it is. Or, now we have we are, you are, and I am. Eccolo qua. This is all the verb to be, okay? Now io sono, I am. You are, tu sei. He, she, it is. Lui, oppure lei, oppure esso, essa. We are. Noi siamo. You are. Voi siete. And they are. Interessante. Cosa mettereste qui? I am happy. I am sad. Qua non è scritto, eh? It isn't written, but you know it. I am. A-M. E qui? You. Hard. Sei massiccio, sei anche forte, duro. Soft, al contrario, it's the opposite, morbido. You are hard, or you are soft. Now, she, cosa mettereste? She is beautiful. He is ugly. Oh, it is big. It is small. Vedete che c'è sempre il buchino? Now, try to fill it. Provate nella vostra mente a riempirlo. It is. It is small. It is big. Let's go. Do you like them? The minions. Watch what was there? We are happy. You are friends. And they are fantastic. Now, do you like Tom and Jerry? I think I like them very much. I used to watch this cartoon when I was a little girl, and I still like them very much because they make you laugh a lot. Ti fanno ridere moltissimo. Now, what do you think about it? Una bella polpetta this time, eh? Questa volta abbiamo un bel concentrato in this lesson. Personal pronoun and verb to be. Now, I will let you some homework to do. I will write them on Collabora. Scriverò un po' di compiti su Collabora. Not that many, non tanti, but practice, okay? It will be very, very easy if you do it. Okay. So, bye for now. Ciao bambini. See you soon.